Very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your TSN English class. This is your chapter number 1, that is the last lesson. And in previous class, we have read that there is some class of French classes going on, and here Mr. Hamill, who is the French teacher, he explained to the students that this is the last lesson which he shall give to his students, and from tomorrow there will be no French classes, only the German languages in the schools of Alaska and Lawrence. So here, what a thunderclap these words were to me. So when Mr. Hamill announced this thing in the classroom, after that it is like unbelievable or some kind of shocking news for friends. Oh, the wretches, that was what they had put up at the town hall. And now he understands why the crowd is standing in front of the bulletin board, because the people are just reading the news that from tomorrow there will be no French classes in the school, and people are not allowed to teach the French language, and from tomorrow the German is their official language. My last French lesson, why I hardly knew how to write. I should never learn anymore. I must stop there then. And here Friends is saying that this is his last lesson of his French class, and because he is not paying attention on his subject or in French, so he is saying that he is not properly able to write that language, even he is not learning that language properly. So I must stop there then. Oh, how sorry. And after some time he stopped himself, because he felt sorry because he is not paying attention to his subject French, which is his language. So here this boy Friends is also feeling sorry for his language. I was for not learning my lesson, for seeking bird eggs or going sliding on the sour. So he is saying that I'm not paying attention on my language, and instead of that I'm paying attention on some other things. So for that behavior or for that things, so he's feeling sorry for those थिंग्स. सो हियर जो बच्चा है फ्रेंड्स, वो बहुत सॉरी फील कर रहा है बिकॉज उसने अपनी लैंग्वेज पे इतना अटेंशन या उसको इतना फोकस नहीं दिया, और उसने किस पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया, some other things like bird's egg or going on sliding like that. My books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago. Now he's talking about his books. The books which looks like, or which are like a nuisance for him, and he thinks that these books seems to be very heavy to carry. So ये books जो उसे बोझा लग रही थी, और these books or these lessons are like nuisance for him, like grammar books and his history of saints were. And today he felt that these books are like his old friends now. So how the situation or how the mindset of the people changed, और दे आर नॉट वैल्यूइंग द पर्टिकुलर थिंग, वो अपनी लैंग्वेज की वैल्यू नहीं कर रहे थे, एंड नाउ दे अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द लैंग्वेज, द वैल्यू ऑफ देयर कंट्री आफ्टर लूजिंग दिस वॉर. So this is the situation here, that I could not give up, and Mr. Hamill too, the idea that he was going away, that should never seen him again. And here he is saying that the idea where Mr. Hamill is not continuing his job because he is a French teacher, so I should never see him again. And he felt sorry for that he should never see him again, Mr. Hamill, and made me forgot all about his ruler and how cranky he was. And now friends जो है वो मिस्टर हैमिल के बिहेवियर के बारे में बात कर रहा है, दैट किस तरीके की जो उनके पास एक रूलर रहा करता था, आयरन रूलर. ही वॉन्ट्स टू फॉरगेट अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, एंड he also wants to forget about his cranky or rude behavior. Poor man, it was in honor of this last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes. So here he is saying that, friends is saying that poor man. Here, he felt sorry for his teacher that this is the last lesson where he honored himself or his language French. That is why he is wearing some kind of fine clothes, that he's dressed up like that he is wearing some Sunday clothes. And now I understood, and now friends understood about why the old men of the village were sitting in the back of the room. It was because they were sorry too that they had not gone to school more. And why the people of the school are people of the village are gathered over here in his classroom on the back of the room or on the back benches, because all those people, all those villagers, whether they are mayors or postmaster or some other villagers, they felt sorry for their language, they felt sorry for their country, because they are not paying attention, or they are not giving value or importance to their language or their country, and they had not gone to school more. And some people felt sorry because they had not gone to school for more. It was their way of thinking our master for his 40 years of faithful service, and not showing their respect for the country that was theirs no more. And this is the way of the villagers. This is how they show their respect for the country, how they show their respect for the Mr. Hamill. He is a faithful teacher who gave his services in the school or in the this country from France for like 40 years. So Mr. Hamill की जो 40 years की services हैं एज अ फ्रेंच टीचर, उसको भी ये लोग रिस्पेक्ट करने एंड उनकी कंट्री जो अब उनकी नहीं रही है उसको रिस्पेक्ट करने आए थे. वाइल आई वॉज थिंकिंग ऑफ ऑल दिस, आई हर्ड माई नेम कॉल्ड. इट वॉज माई टर्न टू रिसाइड. जब ये सब कुछ वो सोच रहा था, आई हर्ड माई नेम कॉल्ड, उसे अपना नाम सुनाई दिया. इट वॉज माई टर्न टू रिसाइड, ये उसका टर्न था कुछ रिसाइट करने का. वॉट वुड आई नॉट हैव गिवन टू बी एबल टू से दैट ड्रेडफुल रूल फॉर द पार्टिसिपल ऑल थ्रू. So he is saying about the participle, some topics of the French, very loud and clear and without one mistake. But I got mixed up on the first words and stood there, holding on to my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look up. अब ये सब बातें जानने के बाद फ्रेंड्स जो है वो बहुत ही नर्वस, एंड ही फेल्ट सम काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन जिसकी हार्ट बीट बहुत तेज़ हो गई थी और उसकी हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रही थी ऊपर देखने की. आई हर्ड मिस्टर हैमिल से टू मी, आई वोंट स्कोल्ड यू लिटिल फ्रेंड्स, यू मस्ट फील बैड इनफ. सो मिस्टर हैमिल जो है वो एड्रेस करते हैं फ्रेंड्स को, दैट वो उसे डांटेंगे नहीं, एंड लिटिल फ्रेंड्स तुम जो है बुरा फील करना बंद करो. सी हाउ इट इज़. एवरी डे वी हैव सेड टू आवर सेल्फ, वाह आई हैव प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम, आई विल लर्न इट टमोरो, एंड नाउ यू सी वेयर वी हैव कम आउट. सो मिस्टर हैमिल जो है वो मिस्टर फ्रेंड्स जो है उसको कह रहे हैं दैट एवरी डे तुम ये सोचते रहे दैट यू हैव प्लेंटी और इनफ टाइम टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज, बट टुडे यू हैव कम आउट वॉट, दैट तुम देखो आज तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं है. दैट्स ग्रेट ट्रबल विद Alaska, she puts off learning till tomorrow. Now these fellows out there will have the right to say to you, how is it you pretend to be Frenchmen and yet you can neither speak nor write your language. कि किस तरह आप pretend करें that you people are Frenchmen, but from tomorrow you are not allowed to speak or write this योर ओन लैंग्वेज जो आप सालों से बोलते आ रहे हैं, बट यू आर नॉट वर्स्ट पुअर लिटिल फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव ऑल ग्रेट डील टू री अप्रोच आवर सेल्स विद. एंड नाउ एंड में उसके टीचर उससे कह रहे हैं कि फ्रेंड्स दैट यू आर नॉट वर्स्ट, तुम इतने भी बुरे नहीं हो. पुअर लिटिल फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव ऑल ग्रेट डील टू री अप्रोच आवर सेल्स विद. हम सभी के लिए दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट बिग डील दैट वी आर री अप्रोचिंग आवर सेल्व्स टुडे विद दिस situation where we learn this language, French, for the very last time. And here, this French teacher, Mr. Hamel, he's conveying his best way that he could shower each and every thing of his language, that is French.